Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are keeping safe and sound in this situation, and hope all my kids are enjoying the activities and they're spending good time with their parents. So today we'll be discussing about body parts. I'll tell you about body parts, and first you need to show the body parts to your kid, explaining them like, this is my head. These are my arms or hands. This is my face. This is my hair. My eyes, nose, my mouth, my chin, cheeks, neck, and along with this, the whole body parts you can show to them. So I have prepared some basic face parts which I'll show you today in this video, and then we'll be doing an activity on body parts which children will enjoy a lot. I have prepared all these things at home, and you can easily prepare this at home. Just you need some papers, glue sticks, scissors and felt pens for all these things. So this is the hand. I have cut out a small hand from the paper, and I have stuck it in an ice cream stick or popsicle stick, and I have labeled it hand in capital letters. So you can show them, this is your hand, and show me your hand. Now this is my ear, show me your ear. Eyes, eyes. Nose, nose. And mouth. As you can see, all these things can be easily made at home, and these are child-friendly things which your children will always like. They'll always be able to relate these simple drawings with their own body parts, and this will help them to know about their body parts very well. The activity which we'll do on body parts is, we'll make a panda bear and show its body parts, and the children will be able to easily relate the body parts. Like it will be a basic one, like head, body, hands, legs, eyes, like this, and children will be able to relate it with their body parts, and they'll enjoy the craft a lot. For this, whatever materials we'll require, I'll show you that first. First we need to draw the outlines of the panda bear like this on the paper. This thing will be drawn on a white paper with outline, and then you can take any colored paper for sticking it. I have taken a red colored A4 sheet, and of course we'll require scissors, glue stick and a pencil, eraser for drawing, and some felt pens. We'll start the activity by putting glue on the face of the panda. Let your child put the glue on this paper. You can cut it for them, but let your child put the glue and paste it. This helps in their fine motor development. So let them mess with the glue, that's not a problem. Let them enjoy doing the craft activity, and don't expect any perfect things from them. They'll put glue on the table itself, that's not a problem. Now after putting glue on the body part, paste it just like this, touching the head. Now take the arms and glue it. Now stick it just like this. One on the right hand and the next one on the left hand side. The same goes for the legs also. One left hand and one right hand. Once you're done with the arms and legs, you can assemble all the things in a basket like this. Once you're done with the arms and legs, the whole body is done. And while doing this, discuss. This is the head of the panda. These are the ears. These are the two hands. We are sticking the two hands. We are sticking the two legs. And this is the body. Now you are sticking the body. And after this, you go to the face part and cut a mouth like this. And paste it wherever its mouth is, and now paste the nose on top of it. See, this is the panda's nose. We are pasting the panda's nose. Just talk to your child like this and let them know about the activity. And you are pasting the panda's eyes now. So how many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes. And the panda also has 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs. So the panda is ready now. So friends, hope you liked today's panda body parts activity a lot, and I'm sure your children will enjoy them a lot too. Just let me know in the comment section how much they enjoyed and what else do you want to see about this craft items and body parts. Already there are some body part activities which will be coming up in the next week. So there are lots of craft activities. Please follow my channel for that, and keep liking and sharing and subscribe my channel for that. Till then, bye bye. See you soon.